The recent redesign of the Toyota Prius has the automotive world stunned. Is it now a cool-looking car? The answer is yes, judging by the reaction of those in the automotive media and general automotive enthusiasts across the internet. But it seems like Toyota might not be done pushing the Prius to new heights. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but there may be a GR Prius coming our way. GR stands for Gazoo Racing. It's the in-house motorsport division of Toyota, and the name GR is now used for the automaker's spicier offerings. This includes the Supra and GR86, as well as both the hotted-up Yaris and the oh-so-wonderful Corolla. The reach of the GR sub-brand has expanded under the motoring passion provided by Akio Toyota. And of course, with the legacy behind it that was set by long-term test driver Hiromu Naruse. The first production road car to get the GR brand applied was the Supra. Next came the GR Yaris, followed by the GR86, and most recently, the GR Corolla. And now, in an image Toyota posted ahead of the upcoming 24-hour of Le Mans race, many are speculating that the newest Prius will get the GR treatment. On the Gazoo Racing website, ahead of Le Mans, there's a page talking about what to expect at this year's race. And if you scroll down a bit, this is where the teaser image lives. Above it is a bit of text saying Toyota Gazoo Racing will hold a themed exhibit to promote tourism in Japan and introduce its technological development efforts towards realizing a carbon-neutral society in Japan, and that there will be a concept car equipped with vehicle technologies that have been developed through numerous challenges in motorsport participation. Still, this is of course all speculation at this point, but if you look at the teaser photo posted, the parts of whatever car this might be seem to line up or have a similar shape to the front fascia of the Prius. This restyled Prius might just look pretty darn sweet with some race-inspired modifications too. The new design looks awesome, and the fact that you have a Prius Prime already on offer with 220 horsepower means we have a base platform that could lead to a surprisingly good time. I'm not trying to claim it will be anywhere near as fun as everything else I've listed with the GR badge, but I'm still happy to see Toyota make the now interesting Prius even more interesting. And Toyota himself, though no longer CEO, remains on as chairman of the board. Word is that this allows him far more time to focus on his GR-related passion projects. He loves motorsports and sports cars, and he helped bring the idea of making fun cars to a company that was not necessarily known for that in the last few decades. Additionally, if GR winds up making a Prius actually cool, imagine what it could do for other model lines in the family. The Land Cruiser could return here as a GR-badged SUV. Maybe there's room for an on-road focused GR Tacoma, and even a juiced-up GR Corolla Cross could make for a fun rally wagon. Keep an eye out for more from GR because you know Toyota likes to drag out its teasers. Le Mans isn't far away though, so perhaps we will hear if this insanity is actually going to happen when Le Mans kicks off on June 10th.